When confident and competent, children can begin to use the standard written method of column addition, using column headings to help them. So for example, with the number 625 plus 48, the 625 is transferred under the column headings 6 under the hundreds, the 2 tens under the tens, and the 5 units under the units. We then add the 48 so that the 4 tens goes in the tens column and the 8 units goes in the units column. Children then must start to add with the units first of all in case they need to carry. So with the question 5 plus 8, they should know that double 5 is 10, so 5 plus 8 is 13, which is written as 3 units and 1 10 is carried to the bottom left of the next column. They then add the tens, so they should add the 20 plus the 40, which gives them 60, and then the carried 10 gives us 70, which is written as 7 in the tens. They would then add the hundreds together, which is 6 hundreds plus no hundreds, which gives us 600. Therefore, 625 plus 48 is equal to 673, which is the final answer. With the question 783 plus 42, again the digits are transferred down underneath the relevant columns. So the 7 in the hundreds goes underneath the H for hundreds, the 8 in the tens goes underneath the T for tens, and the 3 in the units goes underneath the U for the units. We're then adding 42, the 4 in the tens goes underneath the tens column, the 2 in the units goes underneath the units column. We then start to add the units first of all, so the 3 plus the 2 units gives us 5. We then add the tens, saying 80 plus 40, which gives us 120. We therefore carry the 100 and write the 2 tens for the 20. We then add the 700 to 0, which is still 700, then add the 100 which is carried, which gives us 800, which is therefore written as an 8 in the hundreds. Therefore, 783 plus 42 is equal to 825, which is the final answer. With the question 367 plus 85, the 300 is written in the hundreds column, the 6 tens 60 are written in the tens column, and the 7 units are written in the units column. We then add on the 85, so the 80, the 8 tens are written in the tens column, and the 5 units are written in the units column. We then start to add with the units first of all in case we need to carry. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Children should know that double 5 is 10, therefore this number's 2 bigger, which gives us 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12, written as 2 units, and 110 is carried. We then add the 60 to the 80, which gives us 140, and add the further 10 which has been carried, which is 150. This is written as 100 being carried and 5 tens for the 50 in the tens column. We then add together the 300s plus the 100, which then gives us 400, which is written as a 4 in the hundreds. Therefore, 367 plus 85 is equal to 452, which is the final answer.